Hello everybody. Today's subject is connection between register and login pages and between Supabase. Before this starting video, I added two package about state management. There are Revapod and Flutter Revapod. You need to edit their PubSpec YAML. After edit this package, we can start now with authentication service. I change my Supabase import edit height provider because of report up level for a provider. They are using provider. They are not same thing between Supabase and report. And after for using Supabase this provider things, I added go through package import edit there, not package, and as go through. If you add any social login or other things any with provider looks like a there. Before this video I just added provider.google now, but I have a state management report. They are using provider. There are different things for this. I using with go through that provider, and after this finish we need to connection authentication service with state management. For this I need to add ReviewPod calling there. For this I can create there, for example, this name authenticate service, but not like this. ReviewPod can be okay for me, and call different things inside there. I call providers with authenticate service provide, and add inside there for connect context, go to do my class authenticate service. That's finished now. This close there, not this correct. Yeah, we have a connection service there with ReviewPod, and after go to the register page we need to change stateless widget to consumer widget for using reference things, but looks like there need to one more things. There are widget ref inside there calling ref, and after this we call my review pod inside the authenticate service. There are how I call there. I can show you now. Firstly I call my final authenticate service page, and I say authenticate service and add ref add. There are some things read, refresh, watch, listen. I added watch for communicate, and edit my inside authenticate service name there for communicate is finished now. I called ReviewPod, and I edit there inside here authenticate service. But before this we need to define inside the run app called the provider scope for usage consumer widget between ReviewPod. I added provider scope there, and after go to register page I copy and I call there. And one more things, we need to go to the register button, add there, and in authenticate service created we need two things, email and password. For this I added my controller there, email controller dot just can be, and after this password controller, and go to the register button, click my go to the define, Yeah, there inside I added my authenticate service and other things. I can copy there fastly. I'm copy now and paste easily. And inside my on pressed asynchron and await for authenticate service, my name is report4. I wanna call my create user with email and password for register page, and I call there easily, but I need to two things. Firstly, email controller text, and other things password controller dot text. Yeah, actually that's finish my authenticate service communicate, and there are I create for tester at test.com. My passwords YouTube, sign up, I click, yeah, it's correction, there are access token and other things you can now say there are. And after this, clean firstly for tokens, and same things go to the for login page. Before this, change my roots inside the first page Campbell login page. I call my login view page. Great. And how to restart inside the login. Go to the login, and need to edit same things for login page. Go to the login page and change your stateless widget consumer widget, and edit again widget ref for ref. There are, you can go easily copy and paste and edit your authenticate service and add this inside again inside. Oops. And copy. Where is my login button? We not need to two things again. Firstly, I call my service and email controller and password controller. Now go my login button. Where is my login button? Yeah, here. I define there, and inside again asynchron and edit await for feature and authenticate service dot. Where is my sign with email and password? Copy and paste inside their first email control dot text, and other things password control at text. And let's try go to the sign in for wrong things. For example, what is the response? This is invite login credential .com. Yeah, that's my false message. What is this? Before tester at test.com. YouTube, I think. Yeah, it's correct now. Success your login service inside your debug console. Yeah, that's finish this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next video.